Across bioprocess and life science facilities, one challenge is repeated everywhere: long cleaning cycles and time lost between processes. Most of these delays don't occur during the experiment itself. They happen before and after, during cleaning, revalidation, troubleshooting, and repetitive setup recreations. Single-use systems remove these bottlenecks by eliminating cleaning and revalidation from the workflow. Components arrive sterile, pre-assembled, and ready to use. Foxx Life Sciences offers a complete set of single-use products designed to fit together as one standardized, seamless workflow. Foxx Life Sciences supports the industry's shift by delivering a fully compatible single-use ecosystem, reducing manual steps, minimizing contamination risk, and protecting sterility from start to finish.